What if I told you that your emotions are trapped in your body and nature has the key to release them? In this video, I'll show you how to use body movements aligned with the 5 elements to release stress, anxiety, and emotional blocks. No fancy workout, just mindful movements plus healing energy. The emotional body connection. Science and spirituality both agrees that your body stores emotions, trauma, stress, even sadness. They live in your muscles, your breath, and even in your posture. By connecting physical movements with earth, water, fire, air, and space, you can heal not just your mind but your entire energetic system. The 5 elemental movements. Number 1, earth movement, your grounding pose. Slow, deep squats or standing still with both feet rooted and affirm I'm safe, I'm supported. Number 2, water movement, flow motion. Gentle sways around your hip circles, mold your wrists, arms, motions, and affirm I let my emotions flow freely. Number 3, fire movement, activation, quick jumps, shoulder rolls, or do energized arm extensions. And affirm I am powerful, I take action. 4, air movement, breathe and release. Do open arm stretches, chest opening exercises, and deep inhale, exhale patterns. And affirm I let go, I allow movement. And 5th, space movement, stillness. Keep your arms open up towards the sky, gaze upward with a complete pause and embrace the stillness. Affirm to yourself, I am connected to everything. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present. Let your body move with intention. How to integrate this daily? Just 5 minutes a day, move with intention, connect it to the elements, and it can transform your overall emotional well being. This is not just an exercise, it's healing. Your emotions don't need to be fixed, they need to be felt and released through your body. Download your 5 elements healing guide, link in the description. Comment below which movement did you feel the most today. Subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Next week, I'll guide you through a overall sunrise meditation to bring it all together. Until then, stay mindful and stay ignited.